Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change a refresh rate of your monitor. I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and operating system is Windows 11. So how to do that? Simply click on Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, you can see the right side, there is option of Display. Click that. Then there is multiple options and select Advanced Display. Okay, then you can see here which refresh rate is working. Desktop mode is working with 60.13 hertz. Okay, then you can see another option is here, choosing a refresh rate, and click the window down arrow. Then you can see there is multiple refresh rate. One is 48 hertz and second one is 60.13 hertz. So in this way you can simply change your refresh rate, and modern computers have more than 60, that means 90 hertz or 75 hertz, 90 hertz, 144 hertz, and up to 240, and in upcoming years maybe it will be increased to 500 or more. So I think that so that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply change your laptop refreshing rate of your display. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of PC or Mac tutorial, comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.